Hey everyone! Today, let's make a delicious and kid-friendly peri-peri sweet corn cheese paratha. First, coarsely grind some sweet corn and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now add in some grated cheese, a pinch of black pepper, chili flakes, peri-peri masala, and a little salt. Mix everything together really well, your flavorful filling is ready. Next, take a portion of your dough, roll it out slightly, and stuff it with that cheesy sweet corn mix. Gently roll it out into a paratha. Heat a tawa, add some ghee, and cook the paratha on both sides until it's golden and crispy. Serve it hot with mayonnaise and ketchup, and there you go. A tasty, healthy, and easy paratha that kids will love. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy videos. Thanks for watching. Hi all, today we are going to make an soft and yummy sweet potato paratha. For that I have taken 2 steamed sweet potatoes. Don't boil the sweet potatoes, the sweetness will go off. So hence we are using steamed sweet potatoes. Peel the skin with the peeler and break it into small pieces. Then mash it into a paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of cumin, salt and 1 cup of wheat flour. Knead it well, add water if required and make it into round parathas. Cook it on the tawa on both the sides. Then add some ghee. Serve it hot with your favorite curry or pickle and yogurt. These paratha will stay soft for a long time, good for Weight Watchers. Thanks for watching. Do try it, please like and subscribe.